Your home router is the digital gateway to your entire life. Every device you own, computers, phones, smart TVs, relies on it to connect to the internet. That makes your router a prime target for hackers. Most people never change the default settings, leaving a huge security hole. Leaving the default password is like hiding your house key under the doormat. Hackers know exactly where to look. Default passwords like admin or password are public knowledge. Hackers can easily access your router, see your online activity, steal personal info, or even use your network for crimes. They might lock you out, redirect your traffic to fake sites, or install malware on your network. All this can happen just because you didn't change a simple password. The fix is quick and easy. Change your router's default administrator password. This one step blocks the most common attack and protects your family and data. Don't wait. Let's walk through how to do it right now. Take control of your digital security today. To change your router's password, you need to log into its admin page, a special website hosted by your router. Use a computer connected to your home network, preferably with an Ethernet cable for stability. Most routers use a default IP address like 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Type one of these into your browser's address bar and press Enter. If that doesn't work, you can find your router's IP address easily. On Windows, open Command Prompt, type ipconfig, and look for Default Gateway. On Mac, go to System Settings. Network, select your connection and check the router field. Enter this IP address in your browser. This brings you to the router's login page. You're now ready to take control of your network security. It's the first step to locking down your digital life. Don't worry if the interface looks different. Every router has this page. Let's move on to logging in. At the login screen, you'll need the administrator username and password, not your Wi-Fi password. Try admin for both fields or admin and password. If those don't work, check the sticker on your router for the default credentials. No sticker? Search online for your router's brand and model plus default password. Sites like routerpasswords.com can help. If you still can't log in, the password may have been changed and forgotten. In that case, perform a factory reset. Press and hold the reset button on your router for about 10 seconds. This restores default settings, including the original password. After resetting, use the default credentials to log in. Remember, if you can find this info easily, so can hackers. That's why changing the password is so important. Once you're in, you're ready to secure your network. Let's find the password change setting. You're now inside your router's control panel, the command center for your home network. Don't be intimidated by the menus. Look for sections labeled Administration, System Tools, Advanced Settings, or Security. Find a menu or tab mentioning Password, Admin Password, or User Management. This is where you change the administrator password, not your Wi-Fi password. Enter your current password, then your new password twice to confirm. Click Save or Apply. The router may restart or log you out. This is normal. Log back in with your new password to confirm the change. Store your new password in a secure place, like a password manager. You've just closed the biggest security gap in your home network. This step is simple, but powerful. Next, let's make sure your new password is strong. A strong password is your best defense. Avoid names, birthdays, or simple patterns like 1234567 or QWERTY. Hackers try these first. Your password should be at least 12 characters, longer is better. Mix uppercase, lowercase numbers, and special symbols. The more variety, the harder it is to crack. Use a passphrase, a memorable sentence turned into a password. For example, my first cat lived on 5th Avenue becomes MFCL_5A. Or try R0 at 3 R dollar equer 1 tie 25. Long, complex, and memorable. Avoid dictionary words and use substitutions for extra security. Store your password safely, never write it on a sticky note. A strong password keeps hackers out, even if they find your login page. Now, let's add one more layer of protection. Changing your password is great, but let's go further. Disable remote access. Remote access lets you log into your router from anywhere, but it's a huge security risk for most people. Hackers and bots constantly scan for routers with this feature enabled. Unless you need it, turn it off. In your router's control panel, look for Remote Management, WAN Access, or similar options. Make sure it's set to Disabled. Click Save or Apply. This blocks outsiders from even seeing your login page. With remote access off, only devices on your home network can access your router. It's a simple step that adds powerful protection. Securing your router is one of the smartest tech moves you can make. Changing the default password and disabling remote access builds a strong wall around your digital life. Check for router firmware updates regularly. These patches fix new security holes. Make this a yearly habit, like changing your smoke detector batteries. Don't be intimidated by technical menus. You have the power to protect your home. If you get stuck, search online for your router model or ask for help in the comments. Take action now. Secure your router, protect your network, and enjoy peace of mind. You're now the master of your digital home security. Stay safe and keep learning.